May I ask, what's your budget? Hi, Mr. Buyer. Is now a good time? In today's video, I'm gonna share 7 sales phrases to avoid and what to say instead. Job Servicing Edition. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel, I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. The most important part of having a successful job servicing business is definitely the ability to close sales. In order to do that, we need to improve our selling skills. And in this new series, I'm going to share how you can improve your sales conversion for your job servicing business. In your job servicing business, you have been actively on marketing your business and you get a lot of prospective clients. But if you do not know how to properly communicate with them, then it is very high chance of your prospective clients saying no to you. Selling skill is something that you really need to focus on in order for you to have a successful job servicing business. And to start off this series, I'm going to share with you my 7 sales phrases that you should avoid and what you should say instead. What is your budget? When it comes to talking about money, it is quite a sensitive topic. So instead of asking your client bluntly, what is your budget? You can consider saying, how much has been allocated for this project? Or how much do you plan to invest in your social media marketing? I don't know. It is quite tough on us to know every single thing, especially we are doing job servicing. But here are 2 responses to say instead. Give me a moment, I'll get back to you. Or, I'm not entirely sure right now, but I'll dig up the information for you. So instead of pushing away the question and say I don't know, you're offering solutions that can make your client life better. Let me think about it. This is the most common response from your client that you will face when you're trying to offer them your services. So instead of asking, why do you need to think about it, you can ask this instead. What part of the offer that you need to think about? This way is very effective in helping them to pinpoint their concerns and addressing them. Here's a very common closing statement that many salespeople use. If I can solve your problem, would you say yes today? This statement is usually used when your prospective client is hesitating. So instead of pushing them by asking them to commit today, try this instead. Based on what you told me, I've got 3 solutions that could be just what you need. This way you're offering different options and solutions to your client, and this will make them reconsider the options. There are many times that we want to ask our prospective client, why do they want our service? For example, you will find yourself asking, why do you need to build an online presence on TikTok, for example? Instead of asking that direct question, we want to frame our questions so that your client is able to tell you the ideal outcome of engaging your services. So instead of asking, why do you want to build presence on TikTok? You can try these 2 phrases instead. What would getting followers do for your business? Or imagine getting 10,000 loyal followers and just 1% of them buying from you. This allows you to be in control of your conversation, and you are planting a very positive result on your client's mind. I can send you some information so they can look up what kind of services that we are offering. This phrase is very common, and most of the time your client will not get back to you, and they won't even open up the link or the information that you have sent them. We need to strike more conversation with your client and making the information that you send over more relatable. So instead of saying I can send you more information, you can try this instead. We have tons of cool resources. What is your focus right now? I'll send the best stuff your way. We have lots of information that I could send you. In order for me to send you the most relevant information, could you tell me what things you are working on right now? Is now a good time? When we are calling our potential client, the timing of the call is very important, and it may affect the effectiveness of the call. Most of the time we like to say, is this a good time? Or is now a good time? It's nothing bad about this, but this will give a chance for your potential client to say no. So instead of saying, is now a good time, you can consider saying, I'm glad I caught you, because your potential client pick up your call or your potential client reply to your messages. That means you caught their attention and they may be free because they pick up your call and because they look at the message. Another alternative is, it's wonderful to have the opportunity to speak with you. Mastering effective communication in job servicing can set you apart from your competition. By using these sales phrases, you will be able to build stronger connection with your potential client, increase sales conversions, and establish a good reputation in your niche. So remember, every word you choose can make a big difference. So here you have it, my 7 sales phrases to avoid and what to say instead. I have more sales phrases and sales objections topic that I can share. If you like this type of topic and you feel that this topic can help you in your job servicing business, do leave a comment, selling skills, and I will do more video on this topic. After coaching hundreds of job servicing students, I realized that selling skills is one of the skills that many of us lack of, and I would like to start this new series on selling skills if you guys are interested to learn. Why I feel that it is very important, because it is quite easy for us to get a lead, but in order for you to convert that lead, we do need our selling skill to convince our client to engage our services. So do let me know in the comments below by commenting selling skills so that I will make more of this video. As always, if you have any questions regarding today's topic, do leave them down in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye!